Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle, Tunisia Ali University of Blida in Algeria. Today we're going to present our 12th lecture titled What is a Job Interview? So I have divided my 12th lecture into the following elements as follows. What is a job interview? What are the main types of a job interview? Language activities including building vocabulary, and finally your assessment including quizzes, tests, exams. What is a job interview? A job interview is an interview consisting of a conversation between a job applicant and a representative of employee, which is conducted to assess whether the applicant should be hired. Interviews are one of the most common methods of employee selection. Interviews vary in the extent to which the questions are structured. What are the main types of a job interview? There are many types of interviews that organizations can conduct. Structured interview and unstructured interview. Language activities, the word interview as a noun means a formal meeting at which somebody is asked questions to see if they are suitable for a particular job or for course of study at a college, university, etc. For example, Ali's been called for an interview. Muhammad got an interview. They asked me about my future plans. Malik came across very well at the interview. Finally, your assessment. So please, learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.